I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the exact layers that form the reusable UI element and grouping them logically. Once done, convert that group into a component using Ctrl or CMD plus Alt plus K or the right-click menu and give it a clear name and prefix to organize instances later. Make sure to define constraints and resizing. Decide between hug contents, fixed, or fill container so your component behaves predictably when placed in frames or resized by others. Next, build flexibility by creating variants for different states or sizes and combine them into a single component set. This keeps everything tidy and makes state switching fast. Then add component properties, Boolean, text, and instant swap, so other designers can toggle visuals, change labels, or swap icons without detaching instances. Also, implement auto layout inside your component to control spacing, padding, and stacking direction. This ensures instances adapt smoothly when content or frame sizes change. Finally, place instances from the Assets panel into your designs and use overrides to change text, color, or nested icons without detaching. Once stable, publish the component set to the team library and increment versions while documenting what changed so team members can update safely. If something goes wrong, like lost overrides or unexpected layout shifts, inspect whether an instance was detached, if fonts or styles are missing, or if a variant property name changed. Then restore or reapply the correct variant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.